YouTubers don't use their IRL height for their VTubing models. I'm pretty sure that's just their models. Or I wouldn't be surprised if Zen is 5'10" in real life. Like for me, like my model's height depends on the model. Like this one is like freaking like look at this, bro. Imagine if this was 6 foot tall.
What's up, baby girl? Hey, what's up, baby girl? How you doing? What's up, baby? What's up, sweetheart? Hey, yeah.
If that model was 6 foot tall, those really are hams.
They're not ham. Did my head break? No, that's normal. I'm fine. I'm fine. That's normal. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Just let me get. Dude, I think the most embarrassing thing to ever happen to me on stream was when I burped yesterday.
Really grow.
Listen to this, bro. I got jump scared so hard that I burped. Listen.
Whoa.
And then I went and saw Nags' POV and it made me laugh so hard because Nags and I have a similar laugh when we laugh hard. Like, I'm a silent laugher. Like, you know what I mean? I'm sure we, like some people, like my friend Pasta, she's a whizzer, you know what I mean? If I'm laughing hard, I just make no noise. And I had no idea he was laughing. And I was watching his clip and he was freaking dying! And I had to mute so he wouldn't hear me sob. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sad. Dude, I love streaming with Nags, dude. He really is like so freaking funny. I love that guy.
Did that happen actually?
I don't know what came over me. I'm so sorry. That kind of hurt a little bit.
Holy shit! What? I can't right now. Oh my god! The fucking burp in the middle of the laugh of the scream. Holy shit! I'm so sorry.